In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Zapier Zaps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn an existing Zap into a shareable template and distribute it with a link or directly through popular channels. Start by heading to zapier.com and signing into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of a team. You'll need permission to view and edit the Zap you're planning to share. If you have multiple accounts or workspaces, double-check the avatar or workspace selector to confirm you're in the right place. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Assets. This area groups reusable components and makes it easier to manage what you've built. From there, choose Zaps to see the list of automations in your workspace. Find the Zap you want to share and click it to open. If you have many Zaps, use the search bar or filters to narrow things down. It's a good idea to quickly review the Zap's name and description so whoever receives it will understand its purpose. At the top of the Zap editor, click the drop-down menu. This menu contains options related to managing your Zap. From that menu, select Create Template. Creating a template packages the structure of your Zap, its triggers, actions, and field mappings without sharing your private app connections or sensitive data. That means anyone who uses your template will connect their own accounts and credentials when they set it up. After the template is created, click Share. This opens the sharing panel for your new template. Here you'll see a direct link you can copy. Use the copy link option to quickly grab a clean URL you can paste into documentation, send in a chat, or share in a message. When someone opens that link, they'll be guided to add the template to their own Zapier account and plug in their apps. You can also share directly via email, Slack, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter using the built-in buttons. Choose the channel, add a short description so recipients know what the automation does, and send. If a pop-up blocker is on, allow the site to open the share window. Keep in mind that recipients can only see the template and its structure. They'll authenticate their own tools when they set it up. And that's it. Sign in, go to Assets, open Zaps, pick the one you want, use the drop-down to create a template, and then share it by copying the link or sending it through your preferred channel. This approach keeps your credentials secure while making it easy for teammates or clients to adopt your workflows.